Bubbly Greek. I am using ouzo, which is the very famous distilled spirit from Greece. It tastes kind of like sambuca. It's basically a licorice tasting spirit. So we're going to use this.
But if you didn't have ouzo, you could just make this with vodka, right, hon?
Oh yeah, you can totally make this with vodka. It just won't have that licorice flavor. But what you could do is, if you have some fennel lying around, you can muddle some fennel in the bottom of your glass, and that'll give the licorice flavor to the vodka. So it'd be like licorice flavored vodka instead.
Don't put like black Twizzlers in it though.
No, I wouldn't recommend the Twizzlers. They'll kind of make the drink look nasty. So I put in some ouzo.
You never pick on me. I always try and mess with you during your drink cocktail segments, and you never get distracted. It's very admirable.
I'm in the zone, baby.
You're in the zone.
So now I'm gonna add
Ooh,
some.
that smells good.
Yeah.
And
Smells
lots
like
of fresh lemon.
Lots of fresh lemon juice, which pairs with the chicken because you got
Tons of lemon juice in it.
On the chicken. So now I made this is honey syrup, which I wanted the honey flavor because it feels Greek to me. But if you just use regular honey in the drink, it's gonna get all,
it would chill up.
Yeah, with the ice, it'll just get all gloppy and stick to the bottom of your shaker. So I added half hot water, half honey. Then you have honey syrup.
You made simple syrup out of honey.
With honey instead of sugar. So I'm gonna add some of that to the drink.
You're a honey.
You're a honey too. And that's it.
Oh, that's easy.
Drink. Yeah, it's a really simple drink. I'm gonna shaky.
He does this really well.
Hey,
The shaky.
You want to ice my glasses?
Oh, I'll ice your glasses,
Ooh,
buddy.
that's what she said. It's like 3D.
Really bad 3D with no glasses that didn't work at all. All right, wait.
Okay.
Don't be so impatient.
Wait, we gotta keep him back here in frame.
Oh, excuse me.
You don't
Scorsese.
here.
Excuse me, Marty. You do kind of look like you could be Marty's, I don't know, cousin, son,
I
something.
need one of those like big megaphones. I go, cut! Action!
No, we don't need that here. Don't send them.
Bad idea. So then I'm going to, because it's the Bubbly Greek, I'm going to top it with club soda. And then, because I'm married to Rach and she always has fennel lying around,
I do love
I
fennel.
pilfered her fennel drawer.
It's a digestif.
And
It helps you digest cocktails.
And I stole some fennel tops or fennel fronds as a little garnish.
It's beautiful. Look at that.
And you got a straw.
You're so fancy.
And here is the Bubbly Greek. Cheers.
You're a bubbly Sicilian that made a bubbly Greek drink. Wow.